Hello to all my YouTube friends. Today I want to share a beautiful Mother's Day table setting. Whether you're having a Mother's Day brunch or you're just looking for some ideas on how to decorate for Mother's Day, just keep watching and you'll know all the tricks. I'll start by showing you how to make this elegant looking yellow and navy tablescape, and then I'll share a quick and yummy basil lemonade recipe. We are going to start by getting rid of everything on the table and giving my neglected wood table a good cleaning. This video is part of the Lavishly Yellow Tablescape Challenge hosted by Diva Designing on a Dime and Fabulous Designs on a Budget. There will be a playlist with a bunch of other yellow table decor ideas, which I will link below. If you're stopping by my channel for the first time, let me introduce myself. I'm Maria, and I love sharing ways to get creative in your home. If you like home DIYs and other creative types of inspiration, please hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell right now so you'll know when my next video goes up. I did not venture out to buy this yellow bouquet. Instead, I had them delivered with my last Instacart order. Have you guys been having your groceries delivered more lately? Let me know in the comment section below. I have to admit, it is pretty handy. So I picked out the vases that I wanted to use, and then I separated the flowers by type. I trimmed and arranged them. I just love yellow flowers. They're so cheerful. I love using lemons for spring and summer decor. They cheer up the table, and then you can use them for all kinds of recipes when you're done with the decorating. I found this navy and white striped tablecloth on Amazon for around $20. It is outdoor quality, so it's really durable, yet it still looks really soft and feels really silky. I usually do my tablescapes on the large dining room table, but I wanted this to be an intimate space here in the dinette. It's also a highly visible area because it's next to the living room, So this decor will really cheer up the whole main living space because you'll see it right when you walk in. Gold goes well with every color, and especially well with yellow because they both have warm undertones. Adding the gold and yellow gives this tablescape some dimension, and I really love the way this is looking. Keep watching to the end to see these wine glasses get filled with a special drink for Mom. Now this tablescape is beautiful for Mother's Day, but it would also work so well for any time you're having a spring or summer party or get together. It would also be beautiful for kind of an informal wedding. So this is really a versatile table decor idea, and it can be used for any occasion. All right, now on to the yummy basil lemonade. The ingredients you'll need are a 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice, 2 cups water, 3 tablespoons pure maple syrup, and 1 tablespoon of fresh minced basil. Now I do have a blog at artsycupcake.com, and I will have this recipe over there, and I think I probably will do an Instagram post with the recipe at some point too. So make sure to check me out and follow me over there. So all you need to do is combine the ingredients into a blender and blend until the basil is completely broken down. Or you could just shake the ingredients together and allow the flavors to blend in the fridge for an hour or so. And then if you want to, you can strain before serving. Pour over ice and serve immediately. This is such a refreshing and beautiful drink. Hey, if you want to see more home decor ideas, then I have a playlist full of creative inspiration right over here. And a little subscribe button right there, so make sure to click on that so you'll know when new videos go up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.